will step away.
Thanks. Yeah, so my name is Robin. I'm CEO and co-founder of DataUnion. And so the title of the presentation is, what is a data union and why should you care about it? So like we've been building on this for over 2 years now. We started when Ocean Protocol published their marketplace. And basically I saw that you have to publish your data alone, and customers would have to find it in the endless sea of then millions of people publishing the data. And so the idea is that we create a technology which makes it possible for people to bring the data together and then leverage it together for different cases. And AI is the main case that we see with it. So how does this look like? So we have different components that we build over time. So we work a lot with mobile applications, and we put a wallet inside this mobile application. Easy for people to interact with the data, to interact with the blockchain, so they don't have to actually know about it. The wallet can also be hidden. You don't have to press accept anymore or anything. The app can do that for you. So like this is much better for the UX. And we connect this to a NoSQL database. So we want to be agnostic from different data types. And basically, the NoSQL wallet has a database has this specific property that you log in with your wallet. It's like you authenticate yourself, and then you get access to your data, and all your participations, all your contributions are connected to your wallet. So that's something which can work from a mobile app. It can work from other applications too. So and foreshadowing what comes later, it can also work from an agent. So like we could have a database where agents can start bringing data together and using that together. And what's happening with this data? So we're using then computer data to keep the data safe. To work with the data, and in a data portal, you can define what should be done with the data. So like it's kind of a marketplace. It can have algorithms. There can be competitions around algorithms and so on and so forth. But that basically can be done by many different parties. They can have their marketplaces, their portals. And so that's basically the core technology that we're building. And so the connections here to the blockchain space are basically that all of these properties, like what is owned by you, is controlled by crypto wallets. You get a data NFT so that you can manage who gets access to it. And also like the results. So like if we train an AI with computer data, then also this becomes an NFT on the blockchain. And everybody's data and everybody who was involved can then claim from the receipts that or revenue that is made from this model. Okay. So for us, it's very important to build a data lineage and a reputation. So like people can do contributions by uploading data. They can verify that data is correct. They can verify that enhancements, so like objects and data are correct, properties are correct. And then this is recognized by a third party that is correct. But still everybody who is participating here is still owner of whatever they contributed. And we can then create this data NFTs, which then are living on the blockchain and can be then used by other parties. So like it's very important to have like these different steps. And in the future, we also see then that agents can also do the similar things. So the main components that we have are like the data NFTs for the sovereignty, a token-based protocol for the lineage, and the value share contract. So like that's a wrapper around data NFTs, so that several parties can be involved in the revenue and somehow in a certain way also the ownership of the result, but as a direct ownership or fractionizing of these NFTs would make it a security as you're earning from others. So we are going with claims and value share contracts for legal purposes. And so how does it look like today? So like we're working with several customers right now. One of them is producing a fitness device, and they have now a mobile app. So user can upload their data. Then it becomes part of a data set. And then different parties can also list algorithms on there to analyze it. And then in the end, everybody who is involved can then claim their shares into their wallet and the mobile app. And so the next frontier that we are seeing is basically now with agents. So like the paper that really impressed us there a lot was this Voyager paper around playing Minecraft and building a skill library. So like this would be something which would be ideal for the agents can build up the memory together. So like they can start also here verifying and giving reputation to certain skill libraries, to certain skills, maybe also to the curriculum or in the end, like the the census that is done to evaluate if things are correct. So like all of this can be done then in a data union, and the skills can basically evolve over time, but not just by one single entity, but by multiples. And so like this helps us a lot, because agents can scale up a lot, and we can do other tasks too. So like Minecraft would be the first step. The only problem I see in this is that this if it becomes fully decentralized, the AIs could run away from us. So like if we can't control this. So like in a way, many of our components are still Web 2. And maybe for this kind of experiments, that's also a good idea to do it like this, so that we could still stop them if they go haywire or like crazy or something. So the standards that we already are doing today, so like we're building on top of Ocean Protocol's data NFTs. So that's a combination out of ERC 7021 and ERC 725 and ERC 24 access control. So like there we're creating already data access control, we're creating data unions on chain. We have like the AI trainers, we have AI models, we have AI inference data NFTs. So like these all have parameters and so on, which are defined by the people who are publishing them. And we would really like to be able to interact with all of the speakers and the projects that we have here. And so we want to make sure that what we're building also makes sense. We are still iterating a lot, so it's not the end of the road or something. But yeah, that's why I'm here, and I want to have some discussions. How can we bring the private data to the AI, and how can we make sure that everybody is involved, gets their fair share of what comes out of this? Yeah, so that's my presentation. Thank you very much.